In this video, we showcase a Fesler USA built Restomod 1963 Buick Riviera named Satan Sled, owned by Tony Diaz. With a custom-built gauge cluster using Dakota Digital AC controller and Dakota Digital air suspension management system, and shaved door handles, Firestone airbags, and Frenched rear LED taillight strips. With a 5.7-liter LS1 V8 Corvette engine, air-mobile polished radiator with dual fans and a 4L65E 4-speed automatic transmission, and brushed aluminum exterior trim with Billet Specialties windshield knobs, with Bear Brakes 4-piston drilled and slotted rotors, and custom headers, custom exhaust system with MagnaFlow mufflers, with 2 sets of Kicker RS65 2-component speakers, 2 Kicker L7 12-inch subwoofers, custom fiberglass subboxes and crossover rack in the trunk, and a Sickens matte black exterior paint job with a black vinyl interior. With a Fesler billet steering wheel, low-car pedals, suede headliner, leather door panels and bucket seats wrapped in Alcantara, and a billet grille unit, headlights relocated from the edges of the center grille to the outer grills at the tips of the fenders, with Fesler F903 20-inch deep dish wheels with a solid center, and a billet rear view mirror and Billet Specialties window switches and interior door handles, and a Kenwood DDX touchscreen custom-built brushed aluminum console cover and bezel. Like and subscribe to see more videos like this in the future.